Welcome, students. Today's lecture is game design for our turn-based video game. As you see here, we added few elements. There are colored parts of screen. Also, we changed some things here in tools, number of tools. Also, some glitch in a game are changed. Let me show you. This is working as usual, but only we change text for this image. Also, some glitch here was changed, so this part of game work okay. Let me explain you this. For part where you have this colored rectangular, you only need to use this canvas layer and to put proper colored rectangular inside. First rectangular will go under and all other will be above. This means rectangular 4 are above previous rectangular, as you see here, but layered on a proper layer. This is, I think, like this. This above part is solved with one sprite. You only need to add texture. To change some things in a label, so in a label will be only number. Also, you need to do some proper positioning of this label, align in vertical align to put on the center. You will need to change some data also in a code. What this means, in a code you only need to, let me put you like this, in a code you only need to change this part here. So if tools of 5 equal 1, label only put this str of pick number, so only number of picked tools will be shown. You don't need to put text. And to solving a glitch, you can create one branch like this. Of course, all of these are some kind of beginner's solution for problems. There are more advanced solutions for these problems, but I really don't want to create complex code for now. Let the code be long but not complex. Here we have first branch if your character come from place below, and if come from place above, this is solved like this. Here is solved with OR command. And this will be mainly everything for this lecture about game design. You can experiment with this and create different colors and shapes for this visual elements. Thank you for watching.